awarded actress, but most importantly, a person with a genuine soul. Who is a friend to all of us here na nandito ngayon. She does indeed need no lengthy introduction. Please welcome the very beautiful Inside and Out, Jody Santamaria.
Go Queen! Go Queen! Congrats, Miss Jody.
Jokes, bati ka muna.
Hello! Finally, this is happening. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here. Malaking bagay po yung presensya ninyo dito ngayong hapon. Maraming salamat po doon sa oras, pagmamahal, at syempre, suporta po na ibinigay ninyo para po sa official media launch ng The JSM Channel.
Dami kong tanong. Kanina pa lang sabi ko, why is Jody launching a YouTube channel when meron na siyang YouTube channel? Have a seat, Jody. Pag-usapan natin yan. Magkukwentuhan tayo. Aabutan ka lang ng microphone para, ayan. Marami tayong exciting revelations today dahil may mga, gusto ko yung mensahe yun. I have an idea already, but I like what message you are going to impart. Not just to all of us here, but yung magiging future viewers ng the JSM channel. Siguro, meron tayong hinandang parang trailer.
Yes, we actually prepared an AVP so that you guys would somehow parang get a glimpse of what the channel will be and what the channel is all about. And if I may say lang, no, this idea actually started 13 years ago.
No way!
Yes, 13 years ago, I remember I was having a conversation in one of the restaurants in Tomas Morato with my manager, Biboy Arboleda. So it was just a casual conversation, and during that time, I was telling mother na sabi ko, you know, I really want to go back to school, ganito, ganyan. And then, si mother was like, okay, if that's what you want to do. And then sabi niya, anak, why don't you kind of put up a YouTube channel? Kasi nung time na yon medyo nag-gain na ng traction ang YouTube. And then I was like, okay, anong gagawin natin? Anong pwedeng magandang content or ilalamanin ng YouTube? Sabi niya, sige, parang namang doktor-doktora ka, gano'n na lang ang gawin natin. So parang, it's like going to be a parang salamat doc type of show. So that was 13 years ago. But that one did not materialize kasi naging busy tayo with work and, you know, with so many things. And then in 2019, si mother again, sabi niya, oh, gagawan ko kayo ng YouTube channel. So yung mga anak niya sa B617 Management. And then, finally, I was able to do a channel dun sa isa sa mga passions ko, which is traveling. So, ang naging content nun was pure traveling. But then the pandemic happened. And of course, it made us, it was impossible for us to travel. Diba? So parang, hindi na siya natuloy. Tapos naging busy na rin ulit ako sa maraming bagay. So fast forward to 2024, it was mid-July. When I was thinking about the channel, sabi ko, the channel can be so much more. Hindi lang siya basta travel. Anong pwede kong gawin? Anong pwede kong i-content sa kanya? Ano ba yung message na gusto kong ilabas or ibigay sa mga tao? And then, that's when I realized that I want to be able to have a platform wherein I can spread positivity, be a source of inspiration to people, and, you know, bring joy to our audiences. So, nailuwal si the JSM channel. So that was mid-July of 2024. And then, right after I did the Lavender Fields, we started working on the content. We started working on everything about the channel, revamping my former YouTube channel. So, naging na siya, the JSM channel. So really, it has 3 distinct shows.
I was about to ask, may
Yeah.
shows siya.
Yeah, so it has 3 distinct shows that aims to just, uplift, empower, and be a source of inspiration to our viewers. There. Ang dami ko bang sinabi?
Hindi, nakikinig lang kami. Go ahead.
Ayan. So, there. That's actually the goal.
Okay.
And later on, everyone will see naman sa ating AVP, the one that we prepared for you guys, more or less, a glimpse of the contents and the shows. First 3 shows for now.
Wow, pa lang, di ba?
Yeah.
3 shows pa lang.
Alam.
Pero, eto na, panoorin natin yung trailer
Yes,
so that may
without-
idea na kami.
Yes, without further ado, I would like to introduce to you our channel, the JSM channel.
Parang ano ka na, kung may-ari, parang pa-Oprah level ka na, friend. Parang gano'n na siya. Pero ang exciting! Kasi lahat ba to, yung, nakita ko yung isa, yung JSM Travel and Tours. Tara!
Papuntang travel agency na.
Travel agency ka na, friend. Pero at least, hindi pa rin nawala kasi yun yung passion mo, yun yung hilig mo eh.
Yes, I really love to travel. I'm a self-confessed wanderlust.
Oo.
And with this one, with JSM Travel and Tours, ang gusto natin is to be able to explore different destinations, diba?
Let's drink to
Hindi lang
that.
yun, pati makadiscover tayo ng mga hidden gems, yung mga off the beaten path na hindi talaga karaniwang pinupuntahan. And what's so special about JSM Travel and Tours, what sets it apart is that the public service component to it. Because it's originally yung working title po namin dito is Travel with a Heart. At the end of every show, there is a person or a community na mag-give back po tayo ng kung ano yung kailangan nila. So, yun siya. Kasi diba every time we travel, parang a piece of a place, parang naiiwan siya sa atin. But what I also would like to happen is to leave a piece of my heart with an individual or maybe a community.
Ganda! And then yung isa naman, let's drink to that.
Okay, so let's drink to that. Ito, isa sa pinakakwela na shows ng the JSM channel. Kasi hindi lang po ako ang nasa Let's Drink to That. I have co-hosts with me, si China Crab and si AC Soriano. And give them a hand, please.
Mamaya natawagin natin sila on stage for the kwentuhan. Pero maganda yun, very young yung ganung ano. Parang feeling ko walang script yun.
Actually, we're just given like different
Bullet points lang, parang top
and shows,
points.
and then okay, after each parang segment, we're given like mag-banter kayo dyan. We're given a chance to banter about kung ano yung feature. Because see, Let's Drink to That is like a show filled with good vibes. Because parang, and I was thinking of a show or a content for the JSM channel. Sabi ko, because I just want something na parang shows that would celebrate victories, even the small ones. And sometimes kasi diba, we're just parang flooded or minsan with mga news na sometimes heartbreaking. And I want to be able to have a news channel na mag-broadcast ng puro good vibes lang. We just want people's faith in humanity to be restored. And for them to realize that there is, something to celebrate every day, diba? There's a reason.
Diba the victories every day? Meron yan.
Oo, so, yun. So, gusto lang natin ibalik sa kanila yon. Iba't ibang storya to ng mga tao, even storya ng mga pets, name it. Basta, anything that will like make you smile and make you feel good, and at the end of the day, yung marirealize mo, okay, may mga maganda pa rin nangyayari. And syempre, diba, parang when you celebrate, you either say cheers or you say, let's drink to that.
Galing! Galing, Jolie. And then the other one is Live Light.
Yes, Live Light. The Live Light naman was actually the very first show that's been conceptualized for the JSM channel, it's really just like a platform for me to like share my heart, my learnings, my experiences, and not only that, to be able to learn from other people as well through their comments, kasi may mga comment sections or sometimes letters, ganyan. And not only that, because He Live Life also has a Facebook page that can serve as a community group or a support group for a lot of people. So it is a safe space. And bukod doon, we also have like mga subject matter experts who will give their insights on certain topics. Because ayaw naman natin magmukhang bida-bida doon, di ba, na alam mo lahat, no. But then, of course, we need the help of like experts, di ba, to explain more and guide us with, you know, with whatever topic is being discussed.
Correct. Kasi minsan makaka-encounter ka ng sensitive topics.
Yes.
Diba?
And there are actually sensitive topics. There are like, hindi ko masasabi na taboo, but then difficult topics.
Right.
But they are very essential. They're very like, it's so important to talk about them. Alam kong hindi tayo lahat magkakasundo-sundo sa pagdating sa perspective natin sa mga topics. But then, we're just hoping to be open.
Right.
Diba? We're just asking for an open heart and an open mind, diba? To receive what's there. And then if you don't agree, then you don't. Then if you do, then good for you. Or maybe you're just looking for a different perspective on a particular matter, then maybe the show can help you with that.
Ganda! Pero I have a question. The JSM channel, aside from it being your initials, meron bang ibig sabihin yun?
JSM would mean journey, stories, and more. Because I've always believed that life is a journey. And what's beautiful about the journey is that is where you experience sometimes the most heartbreaking, but then the most beautiful lessons. Diba sabi nga nila, it's not really about the destination, but the journey. And I believe that we are all in a journey. We're all traversing life. And all of us, we have stories to tell. I have a story, you have a story, and we have, a collective story. So that's also what we want to showcase in the JSM channel. And then there's more, because meron pang madadagdag.
Nash shows.
Nash shows. Yes, that's true. So sabi ko nga, this is just the first 3 shows.
Okay.
But then later on, we'll be adding more.
Yan! And also I noticed, Evolve, Inspire, Explore, right under your logo.
Yeah.
Anong ibig sabihin yan?
We're actually thinking of what do we stand for? I mean, what does this channel stand for? And I think sabi ko, these 3 words would perfectly describe the JSM channel. And evolution is really important, diba? In personal growth, in building our resilience, diba? Para we'd be more strong in terms of challenges. We can't get stuck. So we have to keep on transforming and evolving, diba? As human beings. And I think that evolution would also speak of my journey as a person, because I believe na ang dami ko na rin pinagdaanan. I mean, ang dami ng evolution na nangyari sa akin, not only with my life, but also sa career ko. And now, this is another one. So, this is in there, and then Inspire, because that's what we intend to do. It's what we aim to do, is to inspire people. And number 3 is to explore. With exploration comes discovery. So we would like not only to explore via travel, but then explore life itself. So that's why yung 3 words nandoon.
Alam mo, nakikinig lang ako sa'yo, pinapakinggan lang kita, parang ang nasa isip ko, why do you have to do this? I mean, pwede ka naman ng kumuha ulit ng another project in TV or in movie or travel, gaya nga ng passion mo. But why, anong meron sa project na to that's so close to your heart that you really have to materialize it?
I think number 1 is like what I said. I'm sharing with people my passions. Number 2 I think na parang whatever you learn, diba, it doesn't end with you. Parang life is all about sharing. Diba, parang we are a channel. Kumbaga, whatever learnings we learn or encounter, dumadaan lang sa atin yan. And then, it becomes a message to other people. And I think parang in a world na sometimes filled with toxicity and negativity, I just like want this channel to become a sort of, you know, a beacon of hope, maybe light. And yeah, I think yun yung purpose why I did the JSM channel.
Na, saka, you know what I think? Aside from your legacy at work, I think you're planting seeds on this channel. Not for your body of work, but for other people. Parang feeling ko yun yung ginagawa mo. Feeling ko yun yung magandang may iwan mo sa aming lahat. I know it's fast-forward thinking, but I can already feel it. Na parang amidst the chaos and the noise, especially online, there's this JSM channel that's just purely fun, inspiration, hope, and love.
Yes. And I think na parang just do for one what you can't do for all. So kung merong isang buhay ka na na-inspire, na bago, or na-push because of what they've seen sa channel, then I think na-serve ko yung purpose ko.
Galing! Ang galing, grabe! Okay, we're just getting started. Isa-isahin natin. I know you already touched a bit of the shows. Okay, Love Life, may guests ba dito? Or it's just purely you and then the other centers? Paano?
With Love Life, it's just going to be me. And then there's, of course, we will delve into different topics. And then we have a subject matter expert na laging nagiging present whenever a topic is discussed.
Okay. For travel and tours, ano ba yan? International ba yan? Parang agency talaga eh, no? International ba to, Jody? Or pwedeng local din?
For now, we are really exploring yung mga cities natin locally.
Okay. Oo, kasi minsan may mga, tama ka nga doon eh, undiscovered.
You know what, diba? MJ? Because isang realization for me, parang, okay, travel ako ng travel, labas ako ng labas, and yet, yung mga cities na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas, nami-miss out ko. So with JSM Travel and Tours, ako yung natututo, ako yung nagugulat na, OMG, I thought itong place na to ay ganito lang. Pero pag nandun ka, it has so much to offer.
Eh, kasi nga, well, through your channel, mati-discover na namin yon. Okay, etong next segment natin, meron tayong makakakwentuhan on stage. Kasi pag-uusapan na natin yung Let's Drink to That. Alright, let's call in ang nagpa-viral ng line ni Jody sa The Broken Marriage Vow. Your daughter is sleeping with my husband. Content creator and Showtime Online U host, AC Soriano!
Hello!
AC, please join us. Yes, and syempre nakasama ni Jody naman sa Love You With An Accent at co-starring sa Lavender Fields, actress and comedian, Sheena Crab! Wala ka pang mic. Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo?
Total, magkamukha naman kami para malito na kayo.
Bati ka na, Gina!
Hello, magandang hapon po sa mga bisita natin ngayon. Tsaka sa mga nanonood sa JSM Channel. Good afternoon, everybody! Ganon.
Asa energy!
Asa energy!
Hello po! Hello po mga ka-JSM natin dyan. What's up? Sana ay masaya yung mga tanghali at mga hapon. Thank you so much po sa panonood.
Okay, AC China, kanina nabanggit na ni Jody partly, no, yung tungkol sa Let's Drink to That. Anong masishare nyo? What, siguro reaction when Jody called you, paano ba?
Oo, grabe, yung gulat ko rin. Sobrang tuwa talaga ako na napasama talaga ako dito, Sisi, ha? Huwag kang ano dyan. Kasi ano to eh, bago mag-Christmas. So, kinontak ako and everything. So, parang akala ko pa nga nung kinausap ko siya, is, ito na ba yung pinaplano mo dati pa kasi dun sa US, meron yung mga sinasabi, uy, pag may show, puro ganun-ganun lang. Eh, parang baklaan lang, charot-charot. Pero syempre ako, kung saan ka meron, go ko dyan. hilahin mo ko dyan, kalat-kalat mo ko, hilahin mo yung baba ko kung saan mo gusto dali. Parang gano'n. So parang nung nangyari yun, noong December, nung tumawag, sabi ko, nagtanong si Ate Ay, sabi ko, of course! Join ako dyan, wag ka nang magtatanong sa akin kung ano man yan, push, wala nang tanong-tanong ng eme-eme na. Tapos in-explain sa akin yung story, kung anong setup, kung anong gagawin. Ay, ang taray. Parang bagay talaga ako doon. Kasi happy-happy lang, good vibes. So parang na gusto ko yung idea nga, syempre alam pinag-uusapan nga namin lahat ng nakapanood mo sa labas, yung naiinit ang ulo mo, nabubisi kapag nakita mo sa, yung na-scroll mo sa Facebook, ano yan? So is ganun-ganun ka, di ba? Hindi maganda kasi puro negativity yung binibigay sa'yo. Wherein dito, yung pinag-uusapan namin is yung mga inspiring stories nga, na parang, uy, may ganun pa pala, oh my God, nakakatawa. Minsan kami, kasi on the spot lang naman din namin, para, binigay kagabi yung script, pero ito yung story ko, walang background, and then doon mismo sa studio, pag pinag-uusapan na namin, bago namin parang ibigay yung mga opinion namin, kasi kanya-kanya kaming opinion, kanya-kanya kami ng saltik, may sarili-sarili kaming opinion eh. But then again, nag-end up kami sa parang, oh my God, may mga ganun kaming moment, parang tayo mga sinaulo, tapos umiinom pa kami. Pero iniinom namin din naman alak, okay? Ano lang yun, pa-sweet na mga mixture, mga ganyan. Oo, kinaklaro namin kasi mamaya akala nyo bangag ako doon. Juice lang yun na pa-sweet, pero napakaganda. So, I'm really happy and excited na mapanood nilang lahat yung mga isi-share namin kasi sobrang ganda talaga.
Corrico, parang same tayo Ate China. December ako minessage, so parang would you be interested? So, oo naman, ito yung Maria na yan. Di ba parang ikaw pa yung mahihiyang humindi. Tapos yun hanggang sa parang ang unang shoot day natin is January. January din. Oo, January 9. Tapos parang pagpasok ng taon, ang saya diba? Pagpasok ng taon, bigla kami trabaho. Parang for the whole year, good juju yun. Good juju. Katulad nga nung show namin na parang puro good juju lang. Hanggang sa to the point na actually nag-message ako kay Ate Jody. Or ewan ko baka nasabi ko sa'yo after the first day. Sabi ko, Ate, thankfully hindi naman tayo toxic positive, no? Kasi yun yung iniiwasan ko din. Baka mamaya parang GV. Siyempre, you should also be aware din sa kung ano nangyayari sa labas, of course, diba? Pero thankfully, hindi ganun yung show namin na parang may slice of life, pero sineselebrate kung sino yung mga paksa o yung kung sino yung mga topic of the day, kung ano yung mga good deeds nila, kung ano yung mga nagawa nila for the country. So yun, sobrang after talaga ng shoot namin, sobrang nakaka-jig. Parang nakasmile ka na lang ng ganun habang natutulog ka. Huwag lang tutuloy ng ganun.
Alam mo, kinakabahan ako sa running time ng show ninyo. Parang isang taping ilang oras, dalawa. Nai-edit daw, yun ah.
Well, kapag nagtitaping kami, talagang ang dami, hindi matigil talaga, dire-diretso. Kasi sometimes, merong pag-uusapang topic, tapos nagbe-build up lang siya na nagbe-build up sa kung ano-ano. Parang alam mo yung tatlong kaibigan nagkukwentuhan, ganyan. Tapos, sobrang magkakaiba kami ng opinion minsan sa isang topic. Pero alam mo yung basta hindi tayo mag-aaway Parang we agree to disagree, ganyan. Pero, kaya naman ng mga editors. I-edit naman nila ng tama dun sa running time ng show.
I know.
Add ko lang kasi minsan habang hindi pa kami tapos, chika pa siya, meron pa ako sabihin. Tapos si Mark o kaya si Patch, parang nakaganon na parang hindi nyo pa matatapusin.
Wrap up na,
Oo,
diba?
so sobrang ganda lang ng chikahan, di mo alam kung paano mo ba tatapusin, di ba?
Si Mark pala sa kasi Patch ang team niyo for Let's Drink to That. Diyos ko, mga kasama-sana yan sa to.
Mark and Patch!
Diyos ko, pag talk show, yan talaga. Okay, alam ko, yung ating mga friends on the press, excited na magtanong, di ba? Let's open the floor for questions. Si Tessa muna. We've got an extra microphone that we can pass on sa ating mga... ito na lang. Okay, Tessa, bababa na lang ako para at least kasama ko yung mga friends on the press. Tessa,
Thank you, MJ. What a nice event to be hosting, indeed. And Jody, congratulations. You really never fail to surprise us with your whatever you decide to do sa career mo. I think when we were interviewing you for Lavender Field, sinabi mo na you did announce that you won't be taking on too many projects as a showbiz, but none of us expected that you'd be doing a huge production like this. So has this always been in the plans, even before you finished I know you have a movie also with Regal that's showing soon. We saw the trailer just kanina lang.
Oo, siguro it might seem that, parang this girl is just doing so much. But with Regal, kasi ano na yun, last year pa, natapos na yun. And then the other one that I did was medyo last year pa, parang 2 years ago pa. And parang ngayon lang talaga pinapalabas. So, right after, well, even before Lavender Fields ended, it was already on my plans. Kumbaga, I think I'm just that person na parang, okay, what do I do next? Parang hindi talaga ako pwedeng ma-permit. And, so, mid-July, that was last year. So, dun ko talaga naisip na, okay, maybe, I can do something with my YouTube channel. I can revamp it, and I can maybe produce shows and content that I guess the viewers will love. So that's what I did. And thank you Tessa for being here.
Of course, we wouldn't miss it. I mean, we're always looking forward to to all of these. Kasi sabi mo nga gusto mo laging bago, and this is really something new and something very exciting. In following your career also and interviewing you all these years, you've always been, very classy. Yung nagawa mo na in terms of sharing parts of your life, this is very intrusive. Medyo intrusive tayo minsan sa mga celebrities natin. But you've handled it with so much grace, so much class these many years. You only, comment on what you'd like to comment. And if you don't want to talk about a certain part of your life, we respect it totally when it's Jody because of the way that you reply to all our questions. Kahit makulit kami, diba? Pero how much are you going to share? Because YouTube channels, diba, people expect that celebrities really open up big parts of their lives to the whoever streams, to netizens. And in that sense, nakakagulat that Jody will open parts of her life to us. How much will we see of Jody behind the camera, supposedly?
In terms of the shows, that was actually one of the very first questions that I asked myself. How much am I willing to share? And naman, in terms of sharing, just because you're on YouTube, it doesn't necessarily have to mean that you just open the book and, hey guys, invite them, come on, read. Ito na nangyari sa buong buhay ko. No, it's not going to be like that. What you're going to see is still me. And like what you said, parts of my life, not my whole life. And I think what I would want to share are those that comes with, valuable lessons. Kasi sometimes may mga nangyayari naman na hindi mo talaga necessary kailangan nang i-share. But I think those things that happened to me, those are the things that I would want to impart to the viewers. And if they learn something from it, if they pick up something from it, then that's good.
And last question, if you just don't mind, MJ, sorry, kasi natuwa ako lang that, this is, it really covers all of your interests. The travel is very obvious, and you've always had a kind heart. Kahit animals, tinutulungan mo, so there's that component. So well read, so well versed in so many topics. So all these discussions and your psychology degree, I think is gonna be coming out. Tama ba yun? Kasi yung isa sa mga one of the segments that MJ was talking about was you picking up on things and discussing that with the public. Is that you practicing your degree in a way that you should, because you're a celebrity and you have the platform to reach a bigger audience?
I don't want to say na it's a platform for me to practice my degree, so that makes all of you a guinea pig.
Well, just to share your expertise, siguro, that's better.
That is correct. It's really just me wanting to be able to share with all of you or with the viewers, the things that are important to me, the things that are valuable to me or that carries valuable lesson, the things that I experience, and some of my thoughts, diba? I just wanna put it out there. And if somebody kind of relates to that, diba, then they can just comment, and then from there, it can actually be like, a conversation, like what I said a while ago, that there's going to be a Facebook page, like a sort of, support group for, a safe space for people, na parang sige, kung anong gusto mong pag-usapan, ano yung dinadala mo or binibit-bit mo, sige, ilagay mo lang dyan.
Well, we look forward to seeing the episodes. Talagang it's how you prepare for any project that you do. Lahat talaga, na-consider mo, and it's so well thought of. So congratulations, another big achievement for Jody Santa Maria.
Thank you, Tessa.
All right.
Thank you, Tessa. Before I hand the microphone to Bobby Recantina, may question dito si Gorgie Rule of Pep. So, ibig sabihin ba ito, Jody, mag-leave ka na sa pag-artista and focus on your JSM channel?
For now, my focus really is the JSM channel. But, meron kasi akong mga projects na napag-committan ko pala since like late last year. And of course, kailangan ko pa rin i-fulfill yung obligations ko with them. So, tatapusin ko lahat ng yun. But for now, it's really the JSM channel.
Thank you, Jody. Next is Pao from Pep. Ayan. Teka, palitan natin yung microphone.
Hello, Miss Jody. Congratulations on your newest show, your digital channel. You mentioned earlier that parang you were planning to do it like 2013 or 2012, and then fast forward 2024, ito na, nagkaroon na kayo ng discussion. What made you think na parang this is the right time to launch this JSM channel?
That's right. So, 13 years ago, the idea started. Then 2019 na, nagkaroon na ng YouTube channel. And then, hindi lang siya na-push through. Hindi lang siya nagtuloy-tuloy because of the pandemic. And then, 2024. I think it's not really about na parang sabihin mo na, ito ba yung, masasabi mo ba na ito ba yung right time? Because I think it's all about the readiness also. And sometimes, life gives you so many reasons not to do something because hindi ka pa ready. And that is something that I have to fight with. Na, no, parang even if my head is telling me, you're not ready, you can't do this. But then, I believe this is the right time. And this is something that I've prayed for. I remember telling one of my friends that back in 2017, during one of the church's prayer and fasting, when you go back to your prayer and fasting journals, titignan mo dun yung the things that you are asking God for. And lo and behold, nandito siya. It was part of it. This is actually an answered prayer. Kaya parang being here talaga pagpasok ko, it gave me goosebumps. And I was telling my friend, you know what? When you ask God for something talaga, hindi siya genie na bigla lang niyang ibibigay sa'yo yung mga hinihiling mo. But then, siya yung magsaset ng opportune time para mangyari ang isang bagay. I had to wait many years for this to come to pass. But then, God was faithful. This happened, and now we're all here today celebrating this moment. So, there.
It's actually an answered prayer for everyone, especially sa mga supporters mo na aside sa Instagram or makikita sa nila sa other side of camera. But just to follow up, are you ready for collaboration with your co-artists for this channel and also mga influencers outside out there?
I think that's not going to be a problem naman. The JSM channel is very much open to that, and also for for guests kung kailangan natin, or even to producing more shows, more content.
Thank you so much. Congrats.
Thank you, Pao. I promised Bobby na magtatanong siya, Bobby Recantina.
Hello, Jody. Robert from Manila Building. So first question, makikita ba lang dito sa 30?
asa na ba yung anak ko? Naglangon siya, parang bula. He was here. You know what, I was asking my son before, when like, we were conceptualizing shows. Like, babe, would you like to have your own YouTube channel or maybe your own YouTube show? Niya, no. So, si 30, he's busy with school and you know naman how school can be so demanding. Mondays hanggang Fridays, nasa school yan. But if I can ask him to guest in one of the episodes, why not?
Okay, for my last question, you're now a certified vlogger. So anong mensahe mo sa mga fellow vloggers na nagkakalat ng fake news?
I think it's always good to do due diligence and to do fact-checking before you send out something out there. Knowing na you have followers, na knowing you have a platform, I just hope that these platforms are used responsibly because you just don't know kung sinong buhay ang naaapektuhan ninyo dahil sa mga fake news na lumalabas. So, if you're given a platform, use it responsibly. Parang use it wisely. Parang instead of using it to just like tear people down or just for what? You're gonna spread fake news for likes and comments and whatnot. I mean, is this something that you can be proud of? Is this something that you can tell your children na, anak, nagsispread ako ng fake news? So, there. Thank you.
Thank you, Jody.
Oh, certified vlogger ka na talaga eh, no? Uy, I just wanna make mention, no? Bukod sa mga press, may mga fans din pala dito, Jody. Jody Natix, tama ba ako?
Thank you for being here.
Nakakatuwa naman yung mga Jody Natix. Okay, before I give ito pala, si Chad Rosario of Manila Feed.
Hi, Chad.
Hi, Jody! Congratulations! Ayan. For sure, marami na yung gustong maging part ng YouTube channel mo, mag-guest mo, at gusto mo rin i-guest. Sino yung mga gusto mong i-guess at saang show mo sila gustong i-guess at bakit?
For me kasi, parang if there are people like interested in like not just guesting or maybe if you think that you have something good to share, then maybe we can actually not just do a collaboration but just to like maybe get you to be a part of the channel and have your own show, diba? So, yeah.
Pero yung personal mong choice, Jody, sino ang gusto mong makasama sa travel? And then sa Let's Drink to That, sino yung gusto mo rin magkaroon ng bookingan session? Or
Naku, baka, sila ang kasama ko sa Let's Drink to That, baka biglang sila yung ma-elbow pag okay lang ba? Hindi. No, for travel, I guess, well, kasi sila yung nakakasama ngayon because of taping. And napag-usapan natin yan na parang, kung magta-travel, si AC, sasama ko sa Cambodia. Walaan niyo kung saan. Sa Paris.
Wow! Paris! Pero iiwanan daw niya ako, wala kasing budget.
So, yun.
Okay, last question. Without spoiling yung magiging pilot nyo, no? Ano-ano na yung mga parang unforgettable moment mo while filming yung mga iba-ibang segment na dapat abangan ng mga viewers?
For Love Life, particularly, I can't say na parang I have a favorite segment. Kasi parang pakiramdam ko, lahat ng mga topics na nagawa namin for our first season, yes, isang season na yun natapos natin, are parang important for, for mga discussions, ganyan, something to ponder on. With Let's Drink to That, every taping day with these two is just like, parang fun. Minsan nga, lumalagpas na kami dun sa time namin kasi nauuna pa yung mga chikahan. And, but what we really want to highlight sa Let's Drink to That is the stories of yung mga people na fini-feature namin. stories of victory na hindi lang sila or families nila, but then tayo din yung nagbe-benefit. At kung ano man itong sinasabi ko, kailangan abangan ninyo kung bakit tayo din yung magbe-benefit dun sa mga stories ng mga tao yun. And then for JSM Travel and Tours, may mga lugar kami napuntahan, may mga cities kami na pinuntahan. Nag-start muna kami with NCR. Na-realize ko na, grabe no, pwede pala tayong mag-travel, consider mo yun na travel without riding a plane or maybe traveling too far. Kasi ang daming mga hidden gems, even mga, let's say, small cafes, mga startup businesses, mga art galleries na hindi gaano napag-uusapan. So, parang yung mga tipong isang jeep lang nandun ka na, marami mag-enjoy ka at marami ka pang matututunan.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chad. Now we have June Lalin.
Thank you, Angie. Yan, Jody, ang bongga. Ang in-expect namin, nung papunta kami dito, hindi ganito kabongga YouTube channel. Pero may mga iba-iba kang shows, mukhang lalaki pa, di ba? Pero parang gastos. Hindi ka ba nasa-shock? Kasi feeling ko, it's so hard na mabawi ka agad, di ba? Talagang ang feeling namin lahat, eto nga si Diggs Almas, sabi na mukhang napakagastos na YouTube channel at YouTube.
Well, tama ka naman dyan. Joke lang. Well, it is an investment for me. I am investing in the show because I believe in the show's cause. And naniniwala, kasi it's something na pinaniniwalaan ko talaga. And gusto kong pasalamatan ng aking production manager because sobrang galing ng budget. Salamat for keeping our costs low. And syempre, kung nakikita niyo ngayon sa Please, gusto natin ginagawang official media launch, gusto nating pasalamatan yung mga suppliers na nandito ngayon because nandito sila dahil pinaniniwalaan din nila ang The JSM channel and nandito sila with all their hearts. So maraming salamat for being part of this.
Yan, pero syempre good luck. No? Pero yung iba kasi, follow nito.
Ano yun? Putang away-away.
Pero Jody, yan. Yung iba kasi, what they do is puro mga pagpaprank, mga ganyan. Pero ikaw talaga, pinag-usipan mo yung channel mo. May mga gagawin kang immersion. Mag-immersion ka rin. Yung mga ibang mga i-feature dito, gagawin mo yung buhay nila.
Yung immersion part, nasa ano po yan nasa travel and tours. Because, for example, if I may share that there was one community na pinuntahan po namin in Malabon, it's called Amapo. Sila po yung asosasyon ng mga magbabayong ng Atis Potrero Malabon. So we went there, nagpatulong po tayo sa mga nanay natin doon kung paano po gumawa ng bayong. And nakakatuwa lang malaman na yung pagbabayong nila, nakapagpaaral sila, nakapagpatapos sila ng kanilang mga anak. So isa po yun sa mga communities na feature natin sa the JSM Travel and Tours. And isa rin yun sa communities that we were able to give them, parang a little something, a little gift para lang po i-appreciate yung kanilang ginagawa for the community.
Yeah, it's so nice. No? Kanina nga narinig namin parang ikaw magbibigay ng yung mga materials.
Yung raw mats po nila.
It's so nice, no? Marami kayo natutulungan. So, congrats sa JSM channel. Pero, katanungin ko rin si China. Favorite ko siya.
Thank you po.
Mistress din kasi ako. Siyempre, hindi kita makalimutan sa etiquettes for Miss Success.
Andiyan po pala si Wang Ji.
Nandun siya. Makikisakay ako sa puno. Pero yan, China, you're based again here in the Philippines?
For now. Balik darating ko lang last year February, tapos parang na-miss ko nga. So nagpaalam ako sa asawa ko kung pwede akong payagan na mag-come back na muna, which is, thank you Lord, kasi pagbalik ko, nabigyan ako ng magandang project with Dreamscape. Kasama ko nga si Ate Jody, sa Lavender Field. So, tapos yan, meron kaming project na ginagawa ngayon. So, dito na muna ako for now. So,
pero magpapabalik-balik ka.
Pabalik-balik, pag kinaya ng budget, pwedeng bumalik-balik. Ay, di meron plano naman para si Wang Ji. So, yan, pabalik-balik tayo, mother.
Si Jody before, she stayed in LA. Tapos, she decided na bumalik. Tapos, ang bongga ng career niya. Parang
Kasi parang tulad yung sila
makaalis.
Nafe-feel niya na ito na yung tamang panahon para i-launch niya to. Ako rin, ito na yung feel ko na tamang panahon ng pagbabalik ko. Naramdaman ko rin po yan.
Pero yan, congrats sa inyo.
Thank you po.
We're so excited to watch yung mga shows dito sa JSM channel. Yan. Thank you.
Thank you, June. Now let's go to Naz Tabares of Hype Mania.
Hello, hi Julie. Gaano ka hands-on sa channel mo? Ito ba yung tipo na makikilala ka namin on a deeper level per episode?
Super hands-on talaga because we do brainstorming and I'm a part of it. Siyempre, I try to make sure na every episode na ipapalabas natin sa mga viewers natin would be in line with what the channel stands for. So, yun, if you're asking me kung gaano ka hands-on, yes, very much hands-on. And I'm just so thankful for my team also kasi hindi ko naman siya magagawa ng ako lang mag-isa.
Curious lang din, paano yung magiging bagsak ng episodes? May schedule ba?
Yes, we do have a schedule. Meron tayong our live streaming. So, today yung live streaming, pero sa amin hindi. The streaming starts on March 4. So, yung pinakaunang episode natin ng Live Light, ipapalabas siya next Tuesday. So, 7 p.m. po yan. And then, right after that would be JSM Travel and Tours. So, Thursday naman yan. Every Thursday, 7 p.m. And then, lastly, tuwing Sundays naman po ang pag-upload po natin ng Let's Drink to That, 11 in the morning.
So, it's a Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. No? 7 p.m. yung Tuesday and Thursdays, and then 11 a.m. yung Sundays. Okay, got it. Thank you, Naz. Maraming salamat. Let's move to Nikki Wang. We have down to our last 3 questions na. Si Nikki naman.
Thank you, MJ.
Hi, Nikki.
Hi. First of all, congratulations sa iyong YouTube channel. And I'd like to commend the venue, the setup.
Chill ka ba?
Very chill.
That's what we want to
sa lahat yun. Anyway, on my way here, pagpasok sa venue, ang ko nakita yung tagline mo, evolve, inspire, explore, and you have already explained that. Pero una ko naisip agad, related to you, you have evolved as an artist, you have inspired people with the characters that you have played, and now you're exploring different facets of your career with your channel. Is there something that Jody Santa Maria cannot do? Or is there something that you're afraid to do as an artist?
Well, marami po akong mga bagay na hindi kayang gawin. Number 1, hindi ko po kayang tumulay sa alambre. Hindi ko po kayang lumulun ng bubog. Joke lang. I think, wala naman pong perfect na human being or superhuman na kaya mong gawin lahat. It's really just a matter of knowing what you can and cannot do. It's also about being intentional with what you're doing. Kasi that's where you put your energy in, or your energy to. So, it's about being intentional and just having the wisdom to know kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, kaya mong gawin, at hindi mo kayang gawin. And for me, it's also parang an endless pursuit for passions. And, you know, parang minsan dun sa journey ng buhay ko, may mga bagay akong nadidiskubre na hindi ko inaakala that would turn into, you know, a passion. And that is something that like I would pursue.
And it's so nice that this channel is not self-serving. Kasi it's not just about you, it's also the people you're with, the people you work with, and the community that you want to serve. And you mentioned that JCM stands for, JSN stands for Journey, Stories, and More. Siguro ang question ko na lang, since this is not just about you, you have your co-host here as well. Can you share a story, paano nyo parang pinili sila as your co-host for one of their episodes or shows? O bakit ang dami naman? Bakit sila?
Wala! Hindi ko din alam. Bakit sila? We actually had, you know, parang a meeting na, kasi originally, hindi siya, parang hindi sila, oh, what if parang akong newscaster doon, tapos may mga nagpa-flash ng mga good news sa screen. Yung gano'n na, yung very reporter type, kasi water reporting naman, yung mga good news to. So, gawin natin news desk. Yun yung original plan for Let's Drink to That. And then they said, but Jules, yung isang show mo is ikaw lang yun nandun sa Live Life. And then ikaw lang din yung nandoon sa JSM Travel and Tours. Tapos ikaw pa rin yung nandun sa, parang dapat yata kahit paano merong variation, di ba? Na hindi naman puro ikaw lang. And then they suggested na, what if, Let's Drink to That, magkaroon ka ng co-hosts. Sabi ko, okay. Sabi ko, meron kayang willing or gusto na maging part ng Let's Drink to That, considering na hindi pa naman kami big production, parang kumbaga sa business, start-up pa lang kami. And of course, we're working on a budget here, so maraming mga considerations, ganyan. And then, it was actually the team who parang list down people, and then we tried to narrow down choices, and then I said, bakit hindi si Gina? Bakit hindi si Gina and si AC? But then I said, can you ask them first if it's going to be okay with them to be a part of Let's Drink to That? And then I told them pa, sabihin ninyo na maganda yung purpose ng channel para umuha sila, para, alam mo yun, parang they're going to be part of something big. May pag-ganan ka. But yes, and I'm just thankful to AC and Gina for saying yes. And maybe what you said was so true na life shouldn't be about us lang. Because ako talaga, firm believer ako that no man is an island. Parang we were like born to be in a social relationship with each other and to make sure that no one gets left behind. And yun din yung maganda sa channel na to, yung pagiging inclusive din. Thank you.
Let's get kay Gina and AC. I understand that it wasn't easy, yes, for you to be part of the show, pero how do you feel? You're part of a program or program with Jody.
Uy, sobrang nakakakilig, ate. Siyempre, hindi kasi yun nga, parang, of course, hindi na magpapaka-fan ako, ate. Sobrang, one of my favorite actresses, hindi ba? Parang sobrang,
gayahin mo nga ulit yung linya ni Jody.
Ganun ba? Di ba? Parang 2 years ago na yun, 3 years ago na. Tapos parang, fast forward to, di ba, 2025, mga katrabaho si Ate Jody. Parang, yan, again, katulad ng sinabi ko kayo, parang ang hirap humindi. Parang, although, yun nga, paano ba to? Paano ba siyang magiging positive yung show? Ang dami ng negative sa mundo ngayon. It's so easy na tumingin dun sa negative, gumawa ng masama, isipin kung ano yung mga hindi mga kabuti. Pero, again, it's a choice, hindi ba? And you can choose to be good, hindi ba? So, yun yung lagi kong napipick up dun sa show. More than nakakatrabaho si Ate Jody. Yun yung isa siya sa mga resolutions ko sa this year. Sabi ko, gusto ko mas maging kinder than ever before. So yun yung nakukuha ko every single shooting. Yun po.
Ako naman. Seryoso. Hindi, kasi ako, masayang-masaya ako na nakatrabaho ko si Jody. Sinasabi ko nga lagi sa mga interview ko na manifest ko talaga maka-work siya kasi sa US pa lang, pinanonood ko yung yung natagal ng Be Careful, pero pinanood ko talaga minaraton kaya bago ko magpunta dito, and then I said, makaka-work ko talaga yan si Jody. Ulit, kasi nagkasama kami sa Love with an Accent. Then pag-uwi ko, nakasama ko siya ulit. And then after that, hindi lang pala yun, masusundan pa pala. So nung kinontak talaga ako, wala pa akong alam na information ko anong gagawin. I just said, okay, go, push. Kasama ko dyan, maging ako, go! Ganun talaga agad, wala pang alam. Sabi ko sa Jody ko, ano man yan, push ako dyan. Totoo yun. And then, nung malaman ko yung content, yung mangyayari, ano bang meron, syempre sinabi ko, ay, hindi naman pala magiging mahirap. Kasi kung GB-GB lang, ayun hindi naman ang laging pinoportray natin sa social media. Hindi rin ako mahilig yung mga parang, yung mga kaniganagahan, yung mga ganyan. Kasi naniniwala ako na kung puro negative din naman yung nilalabas, ma-attract mo din yan. So parang, I love the idea na parang we're giving positivity sa tao, ina-uplift namin yung, kumbaga parang, yung mga ginagawa nilang inspiring stories, lalo pa namin parang binibigyan ng parang justification na, oo, dapat na ganyan tayo, ganyan dapat. So that lahat ng nakakanood, ma-attract din nila, parang oo nga, kung sila kayang ganun, bakit tayo hindi? So napakaganda talaga nung episode ng, let's say, episode, nung Let's Drink to That, kasi puro siya inspiring stories na i-share sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Gina. I'm here all the way at the back. Right here. Right here. Right here. Kasi ang next na magtatanong si Alex Brosas.
Hello, I have a question for Gina first and then Jody. How long, for Gina, how long have you, are you friends with Jody? How long?
Since nung Love You, 2022. 22 ba? Yeah, kasi naging close kami nun sa Love You with an Accent na movie with Coco kasi magkasama kami sa house. Like for almost more than a month, no? Tapos lagi kami magkasama and then na-feel ko talaga na super duper warm niyang kasama. Hindi niya ipaparamdam talaga sa'yo na parang, oh, eto ako, hello, Jody ako, big star. Walang ganun eh. Hindi ganun eh. Parang syempre ako po, ang tagal ko nang hindi umarte, ang tagal kong nawala. So nung nakita ko siya, parang hindi ko alam kung ano ikikilos ko, natatakot ako kasi baka mamaya, di ba? Yung ganung feeling. Pero nung nag-start na kami, sabi ko, oh my God, siya pa nga gumagawa ko nung lagi naglalagay ng lapel ko, nag-aayos ng salawan ko kapag hindi maayos. So, yung short, yung basta lagi mo ko inaayos, yung ganung peg ko, so, sobrang love na love ko talaga si Joe.
So that was a long time ago, and then you worked sa Lavender Fields. Having worked with Jody sa Lavender Fields, what were your startling discoveries from then to now?
Paano po yung startling ko?
I don't repeat my questions. I'm not in the habit.
Oh my God! Ang hirap naman ng question. Hindi, pero ako, sa totoo lang po nung nakasama ko si Joe sa Lavender, which is I'm expecting na makakasama ko siya. But for me, hindi ako nahirapang makatrabaho si Jody sa Lavender Field. And I believe lahat din naman ng mga co-actors namin is ganun din po yung masasabi. Is pag nakasama mo si Jody sa trabaho is yung parang happy set lang. Hindi mo mararamdaman yung parang ang layo mo sa kanya. Tsaka tinuturuan ka niya. Tsaka like when meron tayong eksena na heavy drama, syempre parang komedyante po ako eh. Parang, hala, paano ko aarte dito kay Jody? Parang nakakatawa ko, baka matawa siya sa akin. Pero hindi napakagaling niyang umarte kasi kahit nagbibiruan kami, nagtatawanan, pag-shoot niya nung acting niya, umiiyak na po talaga siya ng bonggang-bonggang. Ganun po talaga kagaling si Jody Santa Maria. Sana mahawaan mo ko ng galing mo sa pag-arte. Yung baba ko naman
to Jody, there are YouTube channels which feature insanely funny episodes. There are mundane episodes. There are not so funny episodes. How will you veer away from these episodes which ang purpose is to entertain, to just entertain at whatever costs?
What I would say about the JSM channel is that the JSM channel does not intend to be funny. but it intends to be fun. And our intention is really to, like what I said a while back, is to be able to entertain our viewers with our stories that we feature on the show. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be like slapstick to do that, because you can entertain while at the same time spreading positivity and being, a source of joy to them na hindi niyo po kailangan magpatawa. So, entertainment, I believe, comes in different forms. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Alex. I'm still here on this table, Jody. Kasi, here. Medyo masarap ang chismisan dito sa table na to, no? Si Marinelle Cruz, meron siyang tinanong sa akin, what topics daw would you rather not talk about? May mga iiwasan ba kayo dito? Kasi nga, your intention is to inspire, to have fun. So ano yung mga medyo iiwasan mo? Kasi it's not part of the brand.
Actually, looking back now, because we have already completed our first season, for Live Light, I think yung mga topics na na-discuss namin doon are like some of the topics na sabihin natin hindi ganun ka-popular. Or maybe topics na could actually parang create like points for discussion. Kasi syempre, I'm not saying na magiging divisive siya, but then, alam mo yung magkakaroon kasi tayo ng iba't ibang mga perspective or pananaw doon sa mga topics na i-discuss doon. For example, there's a topic about boundaries. So, syempre, kinuwento ko na ba maya yung...
Spoilers.
Wala akong spoiler. So, yeah. So, let's, for example, boundaries with, family and friends and ganito. So, yun, isa yun sa mga topics or like, how to begin again. Mga ganyang mga topics yung pag-uusapan natin. For now, parang wala pa naman kaming talagang napag-uusapan na etong topic na to, iiwasan natin to, hindi natin to pwedeng pag-usapan. Kasi parang napaka-broad, ang daming pwedeng pag-usapan. And kung hindi mo pag-uusapan, parang nire-restrict mo lang, naging restrictive yung, di ba, yung channel. So that's not the intention. The intention is for us to all learn about, a certain, let's say, I would not say it's an issue, but, topics.
Hindi, saka first season pa lang naman, meron pang room for growth, for, kaya nga ng term na ginamit mo, mag-evolve, di ba, even the show. We're down to our last question, coming from my katukayo, MJ De Leon.
Hi, MJ.
Hi, Jody. Congratulations. Meron na naman kaming additional YouTube channel to watch, binge watch. My question is actually related to the previous question. Kasi, for sure, na-explain mo naman, the channel is lightness, living light, it's positive, watch for everyone. Pero kasi, there are times na nangyayari sa bansa natin, there's a certain segment kasi of social media who are sensitive, who are woke. AC is familiar into that. Kasi medyo vocal din si AC sa kanyang Twitter. Minsan kasi, pag meron na kayong platform, like celebrities like yourself, nag-i-expect yung netizens, ano ba yung take ni Jody sa ganito? Will Jody speak about it? How do you think you will take it?
That is something that, parang na-foresee naman namin. And our topics are, though, medyo, I won't say na sensitive, but these are essential topics na pwedeng pag-usapan. What I'll share there is like my own like personal views, my experiences about it. But like I also said a while back that there will be subject matter experts who will be with us, especially sa segment ng Live Light, because we don't want it like to be an opinion-based show lang. We want to have like parang experts to be with us because they will provide a more professional insight on, let's say, certain topics. And also, naniniwala ako na hindi naman talaga lahat mag-a-agree sa isang idea. kapag mag-present ka ng isang idea, maraming different takes doon sa idea na yun. But what we're trying to do here is not to like educate people, but we're like trying to give them, you know, a different set of perspectives. And we're not trying to like parang shove it down their throats na ito yung paniwalaan mo, ito yung ganyan. At the end of the day, this is a show, ito yung pinaniniwalaan namin, ito yung take namin sa matter na yan, then, amen yon. It's up to you guys kung ano yung take ninyo sa, let's say, topics na madidiscuss. Pero, at the end of the day, walang pilitan.
Okay. Si AC, baka gusto niyo mag-comment on that question?
Again, parang for me, katulad nga nung sinabi ni Ate Jody na this is a room for positivity and good news, ganyan. And yung mga hard news, meron din siyang avenue, which is 7 to 8 na news. Siguro ang challenge lang po talaga for me ay yung i-explain kay Ate Jody kung anong ibig sabihin nung maanong una. Kasi in-explain pa namin sa kanya yun nung isang episode. Parang, Ate Jody, pinatay mo yung joke. So yun din alam ni Ate Jody. So may mga ina-explain talaga kami sa kanya. So yun yung challenge for us.
I guess ang tawag dyan is generation.
Paano po?
Pareho na tayo ng generation, napaka mo naman, ba't ako alam ko? Paano?
Pwede bang nahuli lang sa balita?
Hindi, pero naman, totoo yung, sinabi mo yung ate, kasi minsan pag nagtatalakayan na kami, like, on the spot kasi yung chikahan, di ba? And then bigla sabi ni Judy, ano yun? May gano'n, tapos hindi, ano kami, i-explain namin. So, syempre, i-edit out na lang, pero may mga gano'n kaming chika.
Okay, thank you. Jody, one last question from you, wrapping up with all what was discussed today. Sabi kasi ng YouTube trends, you've chosen YouTube, di ba, as your channel. Sabi kasi ng YouTube trends, Filipinos daw, pang-wind down nila yung YouTube, watching YouTube. And it's still the platform with the most screen time for Filipinos with internet. Ano yung gusto mong takeaway sa kanila or feeling na dadalhin nila sa pagtulog nila? General question na lang.
Okay. Sige, actually, like I said, na parang this intends to uplift and bring joy to our viewers. So, kasi dahil tatlong magkakaibang shows yung ipapalabas natin, MJ. So, bawat show, iba-iba yung kanyang nilalaman. Well, for Let's Drink to That, yung segment namin tatlo ni AC and China, of course, strategic din na Sunday namin siya nilagay because after a week, parang a week long, parang bombarded tayo ng mga news and syempre mga work or whatever happens in the workplace or with everyone. You just want to end and start your day with something na mangingiti ka na ay, ang cute naman ng story na yun, ay nakaka-inspire naman yung story na yun. Okay, parang yun yung gusto namin ma-impart sa aming viewers. For JSM Travel and Tours, yung talagang just to keep exploring. Na parang, okay, meron na tayong mapupuntahan sa susunod na hindi ka kailangan gumastos ng mga. And then for Live Light, these are, mga topics na hoping to, like, shed light on certain things, certain topics, and at the same time, na mapunta siya sa tenga ng taong nangangailangan ng mensahe ninyo for that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Jody. Ay, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nagtanong this afternoon. Before we ask for your final invites, let's have a photo op muna. Jody, AC, and Sheena, right here in front.